Even though I am not a vegetarian, these are really, really good. So the clock's moved ahead an hour, so it's officially spring, but yet we still have all this snow everywhere. So it's also nice and warm too, so it's like -3, feels like -9. Still, could be warmer, could be colder. But I like the temperature just the way it is right now. I just hope that it won't be long before the snow melts and I can stop wearing this winter jacket and my toque. I don't know. A couple more weeks. That's my prediction. Of course, one of the downsides of spring is that all of this snow behind me and everywhere else, it will melt into water and possibly flood sidewalks and streets for a couple days. I guess it's a small price to pay for warmer weather. I don't know. What are your thoughts? So, back at home, hungry as usual. Will I ever stop eating? Well, kind of need food, so no, I won't stop eating. That's a stupid question. What happened to the? What am I looking for? Did I? Yeah, I did. Put it in the fridge, idiot. Okay, so I am making toaster strudel in the microwave. I know you're supposed to put it in a toaster, but whatever. I don't know. I just lazy, I guess. Just want to cook them in the microwave, and there you go. So I'll be right back. It's not that bad. Kind of grapey, I guess. I didn't even look at the flavor, but I'm assuming it's like wild berry or grape or something. What you doing? You watching TV? Cool. So, I'm gonna watch Supernatural, so I'll be back in a bit. I just want to say, these are really good. Doesn't matter if you cook them in the microwave or in the toaster, still tastes the same. Just one method is kind of nice and soft, and the other one is like really crunchy. So, whichever way you prefer, they both taste the same. So, anyway, not just, but I've known this for a while today, but Ed from Ed's Corner, he's supposed to be making me a Frantic Fridays intro. Still haven't got it from you, Ed. Keep checking my emails. Don't see anything. Anyway, he hit 200 subscribers. His channel's only been out for a month. He's got 200 subscribers. I've been with this channel for about 2 years. I'm not even at 200 subscribers yet. Wow. He must be promoting it somewhere, or he's got a lot of friends that subscribed, or something. I don't know. I mean, maybe he's better than me. His videos are better quality, I know that. You know, he actually has his family in his vlogs. Me, it's just me talking, and sometimes Jasmine. I don't know. But anyway, congratulations, Ed. It's a great feat to, you know, it's a great accomplishment. 200 subs in 1 month. Wow, you're going far, buddy. I just wanted to say that. Back to my show. I think that's going to be it for today. Nothing much happened. So enjoy the rest of your day. Check out the links down below.
What?
Nothing. And take it easy.